Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unban OME TV on iPhone. So guys, if you want to unban OME TV on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, the very first solution to unban OME TV on iPhone is that you have to simply use a reputable VPN like NordVPN or PIA VPN to change your IP address to unban your OME TV. So guys, for that you have to simply go to App Store and search for NordVPN, and then you have to simply download and install the NordVPN on your device first, and after this connect your device with a VPN and change your IP address and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply clear app cache or clear a browser history of your browser on your iPhone. If you're using the OME TV on a browser, then clear browser history for one time, and if you're using OME TV on your app, then you have to simply clear app cache for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply use your cellular data instead of Wi-Fi. So guys, if you are using cellular data and you are not using Wi-Fi, then use your Wi-Fi and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply appeal for the ban to the OME TV support team. So guys, the next solution is very simple. You have to simply make an appeal for your ban of OME TV on OME TV Support Center or Help Center. So guys, you have to simply go to the help section in the OME TV Support, and then you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.